2, 3. Been traveling these wide roads for so long. My heart's been far from you, 10,000 miles gone. Oh, I wanna come near and give you every part of me, but there's blood on my hands and my lips on green. Take me to your river, I wanna go. And we're also gonna learn it the other way, the more advanced way. I played it in the original, I guess. Take me to your river, I wanna go. Go on, take me to your river. Okay, sorry about that, guys. So, the basic thing of this song is we've got these 4 chords, and we're going to learn it the easy way first. So, cap on the first fret, and then you play G. Okay, so cap on 1, and then just a normal G chord, folk type G chord. You can download the PDF with these chord shapes and everything, and then a C, or you could do this C, or this C. All of them really work nicely, and then A minor. Like that. There's the chord shape for A minor. Okay, for the verse and the intro, we have these chords, 2 bars on G, 2 bars on C the whole time. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, It's funny how sometimes in your mind you're better than you think, and then you try these amazing riffs and then it just doesn't work. Anyways, so there's 2 ways you can play it. The picking pattern way is really easy, just like 1, 2, 3, 4. I wonder if you can see those lines there. It's basically root note and then 3rd string and 2nd string. 6, 3, 2, 3. And then for the C, you're going to do it from the 5th string. Anyway, guys, that's just we just got a little bit carried away. But then the strumming you could do down up 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 down down up down up down up down up down up. Take me to your river. I wanna go. Oh, take me to your river. Anyways, we're getting distracted here, guys. But that's the basis of the song. I don't think there's anything more to the song. If you want to play with capo, like the guy plays it, capo 4, and then you're gonna do for the verse. And then the chorus, F sharp minor. Da, 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 da. That B string is just getting on my nerves today. Anyway, have a nice day, guys. I'm bouncing.